Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your messages on the Temu app. But before that, don't forget to subscribe and leave a comment down below, because at 10,000 subscribers I'm going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy. And you won't want to miss that. So let's just jump right into it. First, let's open the Temu app. And here it opens up in the home menu. And from here you tap on the U menu. And in the U menu at the top, you can check your messages just by tapping on this icon. And here you see everything that the Temu app wants to tell you, besides notifications, like orders and shippings, or some promotions that you might have got. And that's pretty much it. So in the U menu at the top, tap on messages, and that's it. So that's it for this video. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.